students, Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to write down the spelling of rainy season, right? So first give the title seasons, mention the date, that is 3/2/2021 CW. Now the spelling of rainy season is RAINY, and here the picture of umbrella is there, right? So आगे जो आपने slide में देखा rainy season के photographs I have shared with you, right? So you have seen the photograph. Now we are going to write down with this RAIN, rain, last Y, okay, that is rainy. Then you have to draw a umbrella, okay, RAINY, rainy. Then draw an umbrella, RAINY, rainy, draw umbrella, and so on. You have to write down all the spelling like this way, RAINY, rainy, and you have to draw an umbrella, RAINY, rainy, and you have to draw an umbrella. Okay, this you have to write down in your notebook with good handwriting. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.